Hey everybody, I just got back to sunny Portugal after 6 weeks of traveling around the USA, visiting clients and families and friends, and it's good to be back in sunny Lisbon here. And I'm finally caught up and just posted a new blog about a new feature that Facebook has rolled out. They've just put out a feature that's coming out in stages, so if you don't see it yet, then you will see it soon. But it basically allows you to spy on the Facebook and Instagram ads of your competition, which is pretty cool. And so I've explained really quickly, it's super simple, how to use that in my blog. And in addition, I've got one new spot open for a coaching student. So if you've been thinking about getting some help with your copy and you want an expert pair of eyes to help you either write your copy or analyze your copy or the ads like you would see on Facebook, then just send me a message at rachel@rachelmazza.com, or you can contact me through my website at rachelmazza.com, and we'll jump on the phone and see if it's a good fit. But until then, take a look at the blog, and I hope it helps.